The iPhone 14 from 2 years ago can still be used for a few more years. This is an iPhone 14 that a local customer brought in for repair, which has been used for over 2 years. It still looks brand new and attractive. The customer mentioned that this phone has been well cared for since purchase. There are no scratches or dents. However, recently the battery has been draining quickly. It runs out of power after a morning out. The customer has to charge it several times a day. Additionally, a power bank is needed at all times. It's very inconvenient. Sometimes, it even overheats. There are also instances of lag. The customer found us through Douyin. They asked us to replace the battery for this phone. No pop-ups or unknown component alerts should appear. Next, we will replace the battery in this iPhone 14. Battery replacement plan. We will use a high-capacity battery cell. This will provide longer battery life once replaced. The performance will also improve. If your phone's battery is also weak, even better. If a battery replacement is needed, you can order through the group purchase button at the bottom left of the video. After ordering, come to the store for the replacement. Our repair standard is face-to-face service with a meticulous repair process. After repairs, a complete cleaning and water resistance restoration is done, ensuring peace of mind for the customer. They can use it with confidence. Not leaving. Will it be Your I come back, I love you, not even. Sleeping or not? If you're